Ho, 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 ho!
Decorating the house for Christmas. Christmas is almost here. When should we start decorating?
How about this weekend? We can make a day of it.
Perfect. Let's start with the tree. Do we want a real one or the artificial one we used last year?
I love the smell of a real tree, but the artificial one is easier to handle.
True. Let's stick with the artificial one this year. Do we need new ornaments?
Maybe a few. Some of ours are looking worn out. Should we stick to a color theme?
How about gold and red? Classic and festive.
Love it. What about lights? Do we have enough?
We have a few strings, but I think we need more for outside.
Agreed. Should we go with white lights or multicolored?
Multicolored for outside and white for the tree.
Perfect. Should we add garlands or tinsel this year?
Garlands. They're less messy than tinsel.
Good call. Do we want a wreath for the door?
Definitely. Let's get a fresh one. It'll smell amazing.
And stockings for the mantle? We could personalize them with our names.
Great idea. Should we put up any outdoor decorations?
Yes, but nothing too crazy. Maybe some lights along the roof and a few yard ornaments.
Sounds good. What about a centerpiece for the dining table?
I saw a DIY one with candles and pine cones. We could try making it.
Love it. And we'll need holiday music while we decorate.
Of course. I'll make a playlist. Should we bake cookies too?
Yes. It'll make the house smell so cozy.
Perfect. This is going to be the most festive Christmas ever.
Shopping for Christmas gifts. Okay, we've got a lot to do. What's first on your list?
My dad. He's so hard to shop for. I'm thinking something for his office. Maybe a nice pen or a desk organizer.
Good idea. Let's check that stationery store over there. I need something for my sister, too. She's into cozy stuff. Maybe a blanket or slippers.
Perfect. Oh, look at that holiday pop-up shop. They've got handmade candles and ornaments. Want to take a peek?
Sure, but I have to warn you, I might get distracted. I love cute holiday decor.
No judgment. I'm already tempted by that wreath with the little bells.
Same. Hey, do you think your mom would like a scented candle?
Definitely. She loves anything lavender. Let's grab that. Ooh, and there's a stand with Christmas sweaters over there. Should we get matching ones for the party?
Yes. The ones with reindeer are hilarious. Should we get some for our dogs too?
Obviously. What's Christmas without ridiculous pet outfits?
Oh no, I just remembered. I forgot to get something for our secret Santa exchange. Any ideas?
What's the budget?
$20.
Easy. How about a cute mug and some gourmet hot chocolate?
Perfect. Let's head to that kitchen store. Oh, look, they're selling Christmas fudge. Should we get some to keep us going?
Absolutely. Chocolate is fuel for holiday shopping. Also, do we have a plan for wrapping everything?
I have some leftover wrapping paper, but I might need more. Should we stop by that craft store?
Definitely. And we need bows and tags, too. Nothing beats a beautifully wrapped gift.
Agreed. Hey, we've been shopping for hours. Should we grab lunch before we pass out?
Yes, please. How about the food court? I saw a stall with turkey sandwiches and cranberry sauce.
Sold. Let's load up on carbs and then tackle the rest of our lists. Writing Christmas cards. Okay, this first card is for my grandparents. What should I write?
Something heartfelt. Maybe a memory from last Christmas?
Good idea. Dear Grandma and Grandpa, thank you for hosting last year's dinner. Your apple pie was the highlight of the night. Can't wait to spend this Christmas with you. How's that?
Perfect. Mine's for my cousin. I'm going with something simple. Merry Christmas, Jake. Don't eat all the cookies before I get there.
Classic. Oh no, I just smudged the ink on this one. Do we have extras?
Yep, in that box. And maybe don't drink your hot chocolate while writing.
Noted. By the way, should we add stickers to the envelopes?
Definitely. These snowflake stickers are adorable. Oh, and we can seal them with these wax stamps I brought.
Wax stamps? Fancy. Let's do it. Hey, who else is on your list?
My aunt and uncle. I'm writing. Wishing you both a joyful Christmas filled with love, laughter, and way too much eggnog.
Nice. I still have to write to my best friend. Should I add a joke or keep it sweet?
A mix of both. Maybe start with a joke and end with something sentimental.
Perfect. Merry Christmas, Sarah. You're the reason my holiday shopping is always late, but I wouldn't trade our mall marathons for anything. Love you.
That's so you. Oh, did you remember to include the photo prints we made?
Yep, they're right here. I think my aunt will love hers. It's from last year's Christmas party.
Awesome. Do you want to add a recipe card too? I brought some extras from my mom's stash.
Great idea. My grandma will love it. Also, should we write a general card for the neighbors?
Definitely. Something simple, like, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. From your festive neighbors.
Love it. Okay, let's finish these up and then go deliver them.
Sounds good. Oh, and we're stopping for cookies on the way. I've earned it after all this writing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.